Hi friends, in this video we're going to talk about how to reset a PostgreSQL database password if you forget the Postgres user password. Well, many a times you access the PostgreSQL database after a long time and you forget the Postgres user password. Well, in that case, how can we reset the PostgreSQL Postgres user password? By the way, the whole content of this video is present in this blog post, so please be sure to check out the link of this blog post in the description of this video. I've already made videos on how to install PostgreSQL database and pgadmin, and how to install PostgreSQL as a Docker container, how to connect Grafana to visualize your PostgreSQL data, and how to use a tool called dbeaver to easily access PostgreSQL database. And I also made a video on how to use psychopg2 to connect to PostgreSQL database from Python. I will leave the link of these videos in the description, so check them out if you want to learn more about these. Now let's get to the topic of how to reset the PostgreSQL Postgres user password if you actually forget the password of the Postgres user. Well, these are the steps. First, you access the DB server operating system. It can be a Windows or Ubuntu or Linux system. And then you make the database to trust the connections from localhost without any password. And that can be done using the pghpa.conf file. And then you restart the database. And now since the user can connect to the database without any user password from localhost, you connect to the Postgres database using the PSQL command. Now you have access to the database, and then you set the required Postgres user password, and then again you change the pghpa.conf file to enable password authentication for localhost because it's risky to have passwordless authentication, right? And then you restart the database. And these are the very simple steps you can follow to reset the PostgreSQL's Postgres user password if you actually don't know the Postgres user password. Now let's try to see this in action. Well, after you access the DB server's operating system, we need to access this pghpa.conf file, right? Well, in Windows, this file can be present in C, program files, PostgreSQL, and the version of the PostgreSQL like 16, 15 /data. And then in Ubuntu, it would be present in /etc PostgreSQL, version of the PostgreSQL /main /pghpa.conf file. For our demo, we will use the Windows PostgreSQL. So I have already installed PostgreSQL and it's running in my machine. So I'm going to see program files PostgreSQL. I'm running the 17 version /17 /data, and here I'm searching for the file pghpa.conf, and here it is. Now let's try to open this file, and after you access the pghpa.conf file, you need to ensure this line. Well, pghpa means Postgres host-based authentication, right? And for localhost, I'm telling for all the databases, for all the users, trust the user without any password. So let's try to make this change in our pghpa.conf file. So here I am seeing for IPv4 connections, host means localhost, all, that means for all databases and all users. And if the address is like localhost or 127.0.0.1, the method is cram SHA-256. That means it would be password based login. Now I'm going to change this to make a trusted thing. So I'm going to write trust. So now you won't be asked a password while connecting to a PostgreSQL database. So I'm going to save this file. Now I made the database to trust the connections from localhost without any password. Now to enforce these changes, you need to restart the database, right? Since currently you don't have access to the database's PSQL command line or whatever, you can just manually restart the database. In case of Windows, PostgreSQL runs as a Windows background service, and in case of Ubuntu, you can run this command sudo systemctl restart PostgreSQL command. Now since we are in Windows, I went to the services application where I can see the background services, and I'm going to search for the PostgreSQL Windows service and right click and restart the Windows service. Now I am manually restarting the PostgreSQL database. And since we have restarted the PostgreSQL database, now our change in the pghpa.conf file will be enforced. So now we should get access to the PostgreSQL database without any password. Let's try to do that now. So I can connect to my PostgreSQL using PSQL, and there I can run my commands to reset the Postgres user password. So in Windows, you will directly get access to the PSQL from your start menu, and in Ubuntu, you need to use the sudo -u postgres PSQL to access the PSQL command line utility. And after you get access to the PSQL command line utility, you can just run this command alter user Postgres with password and some new password to reset the password of the Postgres user. Since we are in Windows, let's go to the Windows start menu and search for PSQL. I got PSQL, click on this, and it's asking for the server address. Let's set the localhost address 127.0.0.1. The database is Postgres, the port is 5432, the username is Postgres, and it did not ask for the password because we made the database to trust the connections from localhost without any password. Now we got access to the PostgreSQL database. Let's try to reset the Postgres user password. So I'm going to write alter user Postgres with password. Now I will run this command and we have successfully changed the password. Let's try to exit the PSQL. Now I've set the password to the Postgres user, but still the database accepts connections from localhost without any password. Let's try to revert back this setting actually. So I'm going to open the pghpa.conf file, edit in notepad, and again instead of trust for localhost, I'm going to change the setting to scram SHA-256, and I've saved the changes. Let's try to close this, and again you can restart the database. Let's try to right click the service and restart the PostgreSQL service. Alright, let's try to check if the database now asks for the password for the local host. So I'm going to write PSQL, and here I'm going to say 127.0.0.1. database is Postgres, port name is 5432, username is Postgres, and now we are being asked a password. Let's try to use the password which we have set using the PSQL, and I've used the password which I've set, and I'm able to access the PostgreSQL database. So this way I've again enabled the password to the local host and restarted the database. If you don't want to restart the database the second time, since you have the PSQL access now, you can just run this command, select pg-reload-conf, or else just like I did, you can restart the database service or run the Ubuntu command sudo systemctl restart PostgreSQL. And that's it guys. This is how very easily you can actually reset the PostgreSQL Postgres user password if you have forgotten it. You can see I have written a blog post on how to reset a PostgreSQL database password. I have given the notes and commands so that you can implement it for yourself. I have also given the references to the official documentation of PostgreSQL website. So please be sure to check out the link of this blog post in the description of this video. Hope you like this video guys. Thank you for watching. Peace.